Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. This is Decency Digital Academy. I want to appreciate everyone who has been subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much. You have been giving a thumb up to the videos. Thank you. So today we are going to look at how to sell massively online. When I mean massively, I mean selling so much that you'll be wowed how you can sell massively online. This video, this is going to take 2 or 3 parts. It's going to be a series of 2 to 3 parts. So I need you to stay with me so that you can get step by step of what you need to do if you want to sell massively online. I mean it, selling massively online. So number 1, the first thing you need to do if you want to sell anything online, you need to first of all decide the product you want to sell. Taking a decision of the product you want to sell helps you to narrow down, okay, this is exactly what I want. You need to take that decision first. And when I mean picking the product, is it a physical product you want to be selling or a digital product? It's either you sell physical product. You know what is physical product? Something you can see, something you can touch, so something you can feel, that's a physical product. Or if it's a digital product, something you can actually see it but you can't touch it. So that's a digital product that comes in like videos, PDFs, ebooks, and all of those things. So key things about the choice of the product is very important. Now there are 2 things you must bear in mind before you can choose any product, whether it is digital or physical products. You must make sure that the product you are going to sell must be solving people's problem. Mind you, people do not buy products because they just want to buy it. People buy product because there's a solution that product is giving to them. There's a particular solution that is given to them. There's a particular problem that product you are going to sell to them is solving. So that is why they are buying it. So make sure that whatever product you choose, whether it's physical product or a digital product, make sure that product is solving people's problem. Then 2, make sure that the product is what people are willing to buy. What people are willing to buy. The truth is, some people may have a problem, but they are not ready to solve it. They are not ready to buy a product to solve that problem. So number 1, it must be something that's solving people's problem. Number 2, make sure that they are also willing to buy that particular product. Now, I will show you ways you can know products that people are willing to buy, products that are in high demand. We call it hot products. It can be either digital, it can be physical. But when they are hot products, people will definitely buy it. So I need you to stay with me on this channel. Stay with me on this video. Make sure you watch it to the end, because at the end of the day, I'm going to give you step by step of what you need to do if you really want to sell massively. Don't go. Another thing is, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that whenever I release videos, you will always see it, on time. You will always watch it, gain the knowledge and the value that is in it. Now, 4 ways you can, 4 products that you can go into that people are willing to buy.
Number 1 is health and beauty. Health and beauty are 2 different things actually, but they are related. Health is any product that can make people live long, any product that can make people be healthy, any product that can make any product that can make people to live long, stay healthy, any product that can make people look beautiful, keep fit. They are all products that are in that niche of health and beauty. Products like something that will make somebody keep fit, because people dread being overweight, people dread being fat. So they want product that will keep them fit, product that will make them to look sweet 16, make them to, when they dress up, they look good, they look smart. That is the kind of product people are willing to buy, and they can pay any price to get that product. So health and beauty are the niche that if you sell any product in that line, you will surely sell. Number 2 is wealth and business. Wealth and business are also related niches you can go into, whether you are selling a physical product in that area or you are selling a digital product in that area. Any product that helps people to make money, any product that make people to sell, any product that helps people to make money, earn income, improve their financial status, side hustle, everything and anything that will make people to just make their financial life to be better, live the life of their dream. All of those things are wealth niches and wealth products. That angle, any product you sell in that area, you will also sell massively. Like I told you, these are the steps, these are the things that will come to your mind before you even pick any product you are going to sell. You must look at the niches. Do you want to go into the health and beauty? Do you want to go into the wealth? Wealth, like I said, any product that has to do with money, teaching people how to make money, how to increase their financial status, how to be financially free, how to make money, how to run a business, how to start a business, all of those things that has to do with money, anyhow, anything, that is wealth niche. The other thing is travel and relocation. People want to travel the world. People want to see places they have not seen before. People want to enjoy new environments they've not gone before. These are products that will also sell. If you go into this niche, people want to travel. People in this part of the world in Africa want to go abroad. They want to go to US, they want to go to UK, they want to go to Australia, they want to go to different parts of the world. They want to go to where the system runs better, where the economy is better. So if you sell any product that has to do with relocation, has to do with travel, you will surely sell, because people are looking for information on how they can travel abroad, how they can relocate their family, how they can go to school abroad, how they can the necessary information they need. All of those products in that area will sell massively. Then the number 4 niche you can go into is relationship niche. When we say relationship, it doesn't only entails husband and wife relationship, it also entails mother and children relationship, father and son relationship, mother and daughter relationship, husband and wife relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend relationship. All of those relationships, even cousins, family members, how you can relate well with your family members, with your husband, with somebody close to you. They are such area of business also sell massively a lot. These are the things you need to first of all put in place before you start to pick, okay, what exactly do I want to sell? You must look at the niches one after the other. Which one do you think you have flair for? Which one do you think you can sell well? Which one do you think you are comfortable with? Those are the things you are going to look at first of all before you even start selling. So these are the things. Now, I have talked about the fact that you first choose the product. Before choosing the product, look at the niche you want to go into. The niche is what is going to propel you to say, okay, which of the products do I want to take in this niche? In health and beauty niche, there are so many products that are into it. That's why we have clothes. People are into clothing. People are into even different types. Men clothes, female clothes, shoes. They are all beauty niche. We have products. We have products that are maybe cream, powders, people that can make people beautiful. All of those things they will sell because they are in the beauty niche. You have several products that you can actually go into. These are the things I tell you, when you are able to niche down what exactly the area you think you are comfortable with in these 4 areas: health and beauty, wealth, relocation and travel, and relationship niche. Any product you sell in these 4 niches, I tell you, you will sell massively. Just make sure that you pick the one. If it is the health and beauty that you love, that you are so comfortable with, just pick a product that's so good that you know that people surely buy. I tell you, you are going to sell massively. The next video I'm going to make is going to be part 2 of this, because I don't want this video to be too long. Part 2 of this video, I'm going to teach you, how you can go into digital products in all of these niches, and you are going to make money massively from it. I want you to stay with me. You are going to learn several things you need to do. I tell you, when you are done watching this video, you are going to learn a lot. You are going to add value to yourself, and you are going to sell massively.